How to view Excel sheets and files side by side. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn how to view Excel sheets and files side by side. The first step is to open Microsoft Excel on your PC or laptop, then open whichever file you want. Now, if you want to view two sheets side by side, you want to click on the View option from this panel, then select New Window. Once you click on this option, a new window will appear. Now, you want to click on the option of View Side by Side. Now you are able to view these two sheets side by side. If you want to change the arrangement, click on the Arrange All option. Then from here you have different options. Select whichever you prefer, if it is horizontal or vertical. You also have the option of synchronous scrolling, where if you scroll, both of these sheets are going to be scrolled. If you do not want that, you can simply click on the synchronous scrolling to disable it. Now, if you want to view the files side by side, you first want to open another file. Once you have opened it, click on the option of View Side by Side. And now, as you can see, two files can be viewed side by side. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.